Hi guys, welcome to our channel. Today we're going to try this Kiss press-on manicure and I'm so excited to use this one. If you would like to know how to put it on your fingernails, just keep on watching. Guys, this is the Kiss press-on manicure. It says press and go. It's the medium length. It says no glue needed, lasts up to a week, and it has 24 nail covers with 12 sizes. So it's so easy to apply. It says on the direction, just peel off, press firmly down the middle, and smooth down each side. And on the other side, revolutionary nail technology, and this changes everything. It's instant manicure, won't damage nails, rivals the best gel polish, and easy removal. On the back, it's a Japanese language, so I don't understand that, but I bought this at Watson's for 399 pesos, but it's buy one take one. The other one is for free. And this is the design I chose this time, and it's the heart. It says the name of the design is Pinky Heart. Now let's try to open it. It has a very cute packaging. It's like a big nail polish. All the nails are inside. On this package, it has the prep pad on reverse. There. These are the things that we need later on. Now let's try to open this one. These are my nails, by the way. I already cut them. Push the cuticles a little bit so the glue will adhere to the nail bed. How is this going to be? There. Oh, nice. So it says here it has 12 nail covers with 12 sizes. So all we just have to do is to choose the nail that is that has a perfect size for our nail beds. Okay. The design is so cute. It's perfect for Valentine's. There, I already have chosen the sizes for my fingernails. There we go. And then this is the nail file that's included in the package and the prep pad. But anyway, let's try it. It's a prep pad, so you have to do it like this. And then we should use a nail file in order for the glue to adhere on our nail beds. So we will just wipe the rest with a cotton pad. Okay, I think it's ready. Let's try it on. So there is this one that you need to pull out. There's the adhesive glue. So it says here, push it. And then on the side, you press it. So long. Now in place. Let's try the others. So cute! I'm so happy. It's so nice. Quite long, but it's nice. I will just finish the rest of my fingernails. Now the finished product. It's so cute, right? Let's see how long it will last. I'll give you an update. So these are my nails. They're so cute. The name of the design is Pinky Hearts by Kiss Press On Manicure. And I hope it will last. It says it will last for a week. I'm just worried about washing hands, doing the laundry, doing the dishes, taking a bath. But, you know, I just have to be aware of doing those things, or I just have to be aware of the things that I'm going to touch or hold just to make sure that they won't get removed easily. I will give you an update on how long it will last on my nails. But I guess the glue is very sticky, and yeah. So we'll see what will happen. For now, I'm so happy with these nails. They're quite long, yes, but I don't feel anything heavy, and yeah, it's just hard for me to text or use my phone, so I just have to do that. But other than that, everything's fine, but I'll give you an update on how long it will last. That's it for today, guys. Thank you very much for watching. If you like this video, don't forget to give us a thumbs up. Please do subscribe on our YouTube channel and click on the bell button for notification of our new uploads. See you again next time, and have a nice day. Bye!